Hello everyone, good morning. My name is Rahul Maurya, and this session is on the patching of ESXI, which is actually required to remediate some of the vulnerabilities if there are in the systems. So we need to upgrade or update our ESXI version, right? Before going further, let me brief you about myself. My name is Rahul Maurya, and I am mainly having experience in Cisco Call Manager, uh, right? And in my previous experience, I have upgraded most of the ESXi from the previous version to the latest version, and sometimes upgraded the patches on those ESXi servers, right? So there is a this session is for the upgrading of the patch, right? So let's begin to the sessions. So how we can upgrade the patches, right? For example, if we have any version, or let's say ESXi version 7 and update 3 U, right? And might be there are some vulnerabilities available in some certain version of the ESXi, and th- that you have to fix. And the solution for those is you have to check with your ESXi team or VMware team what are the fix available in the systems, right? And once they verified that this patch is used and I mean it's going to use to fix those vulnerabilities, then you have to apply those patches on your system, right? So before so once you get the patch, you have to uh, place that patch in your data store, right? Of the ESXi, and then you have to log into the to your ESXi and shut down all the nodes, whatever nodes you have in your running nodes or virtual machines in your ESXi server. You have to shut those down. For the call manager, you have to shut down those with the util system shutdown, right? uh, by that the system will be gracefully shut down, right? And then you have to enable the SSH on the ESXi. And how you can do that, you have to just click on the action item, go to the services, and enable the ESX, enable the secure shell SSH, right? So once you do that, uh, you have to put the ESXi on the maintenance mode. How you can do that? Just click on the host, go to the go to here, enter maintenance mode. Click this, right? Then your ESXi was on maintenance mode, right? And once the patch upgrade is done, you have to perform the same task. You have to go to the host and then exit from the maintenance mode, right? And then power on of your all of the nodes, correct? And then you have to take there are steps which I have mentioned. uh, uh, Once you log into your SSH of your ESXi, you have to back up the host configurations. These are the commands, right? Once you run these commands, the backup is available on the this path, right? And what you can do, you can do the uh, uh, these things WinSAP SSH to the your ESXi server, and go to this path and download the configuration files from there. So that is the host configuration files available as a backup, right? And then as I said that you have to upload the patch version in the data store, right, of the ESXi. Now after that, once patch is placed in the data store, you have to check which folder you have stored it. So in the SSH mode, SSH of your ESXi, go to this path, this drive, CD VMFS volumes data store, where you have to place the file and the file name, right? And there you have to run this command, ESXi software source for file list minus d, and the path of your zip file, right? or the patch. Then after that, it will show you the patch available on your ESXi, right? Then you have to upgrade with this command, ESXi software profile update -d and the path of your patch file, and it will take some time. And after that, you have to reboot your ESXi, and this is the command which you via that you can verify the version of your patch after the upgrade, right? So these are the steps which we have to follow, and next session next I will show you how it will reflect in your SSH session, putty session, right? So this is my the my SSH, ESXi. I have taken the SSH and run this command vm where space minus vl, and it shows me the current version of my ESXi, right? And then I run the same command to save the configuration of the host file, right? And it says that browse this look path where this the backup is available, correct? Then we zoom in this. So here you can see I have gone the CD VMFS volume and the path of my folder, right? Where I have placed my patch, right? And then I run the command, the profile command, correct? And it shows me the files which are available on that ESXi patch uh, zip file, right? And you can see over here that ESXi 7 0U3Q, that the third one, that is what I have to apply on my ESXi, right? So I need to copy this uh, the name, that profile name, that ESXi 7.0 U3Q, and then the number and the standard, right? And then again I have to run this command, the upgrade, the update command, right? So ESXi software profile update -d, then path of this patch, right? And then I have to select the patch, right? -p patch, the name of the patch which I want to install on my system, right? And it's once I entered the command, it says me that hardware error. So it says that you need to update your CPU, right? Or you can do one thing, you can just apply no hardware warning after this command, correct? Which I did. uh, here here you can see that ESXi, same command, update -d, the path of the patch, and then profile, and then no hardware warning. And after that, I entered, and it's performing that a patch upgrade, right? And after that, we need to reload our ESXi with the command reboot. And once we do the reboot, we have to continuously ping of our ESXi. Once it come up, we can log into the ESXi server and verify the patch which is applied on the system. So you can see that ESXi -7.0 U3Q, that is applied, correct? So this is the way how you can patch your ESXi. and right. And then as I said earlier, that you have to come back on the host again and remove uh, and exit from the maintenance mode, and then power on of your all of the call manager nodes. Okay, so I hope this session is informative for you, for those who are looking to upgrade their ESXI via CLI commands, right? And also it is helpful for those who are already working on the ESXi servers, VMware, patching their systems, right? All right. Do let me know if you have any questions in the comments, and I hope you like these sessions. Please like and subscribe. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Bye bye.